Doing the lessons and completing the exercises is a crucial part of your progress, but it's not the whole picture. Passing an exam is one thing. Believing you can use English in real-life situations is another. Without that belief, even the best certificate may end up sitting in a drawer unused. That's why this course isn't just about academic knowledge. It's also about your mindset, particularly how you speak to yourself. Self-talk matters. What you repeat in your mind becomes your reality. If you keep telling yourself that English is hard, that you're not good at languages, or that you'll never really speak fluently, your brain will find ways to prove you right. The good news is that the opposite is also true. If you tell yourself you can do it, that it's getting easier, and that you're making real progress, your mind will begin to align with those beliefs. As the renowned therapist and mindset coach Marissa Peer says, the mind does what it truly believes is in your best interest. Your job is to give it the right material to work with. So start feeding it something better. Tell yourself, I am becoming more confident in English every day. Learning this language is opening doors for me. I'm capable of far more than I used to think. What you plant in your mind grows. Nurture it well, and it will reward you in ways you never expected.